Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Vesico-vaginal fistula. In vesico-vaginal fistula is the most common urinary fistula. It is the most common cause of vesico-vaginal fistula in developed countries is surgery. Most common cause of vesico-vaginal fistula in developing countries is obstructed labor. Investigation of choice for vesico-vaginal fistula is cystoscopy. Best method to collect the urine in vesico-vaginal fistula patient is suprapubic catheterization.
thank you and thank you for watching.